tayo ay matanda na. Sana di tayo magbago. Kailangan nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko.
Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. Ang ibig mo, isasayo ko. Ang ibig mo, isasayo ko. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. We didn't have once before, we had thoughts of you. It doesn't really matter, they're never quite the same. We have the rules in different ways, we play the games of different. What did I do to make you change your mind? I thought this love would never end, but if this love's lost, you have, I'll let go of you. But I don't remember the feeling. I remember you, but I don't remember the feeling.
Mag-aral ka maigi, ha?
She was a little Miss Philippines. Yay! Good job, Kato.
Dito ang huli ang mga nag-sparkle ko para ibibigay sa inyo. Di ba, Lormen?
Yes! Ako, mga taga-Canada, magingay! Gising pa ba kayo? Yung mga nagpunta kagabi, maraming salamat, ha?